Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Studio. In this video, we will develop this 3D model in SolidWorks. Let's start. We will go to new option and here we will select the part option and then OK. From here we can change the background color. We will select the sketch and we will select the front plane. Then we will select the rectangle. Okay, so the total height is 75 and this width is 88. So we'll go to smart dimension. We will put the value here is 88 millimeter and from this side is 75 millimeter, 75 millimeter, and then we will go to the feature and then we will do extrude, and the total extrude is 64. So we will put the value here is 64, right? Okay, so now we can create this cut. So we will select this face and then go to sketch. Okay, so we will select a corner rectangle. We will select this corner and draw this rectangle, and we know that the dimension from this one here to here is 16. Here to here is 16, and from here to here this dimension is 38. We just select 38 and extruded cut value is 25. So we will go to feature and then go to extruded cut, and here we will select the blind and here we will put the value is 25. Okay, so this sketch is created. Now we need to cut this face. So we will select this face, then go to sketch. So we will select this corner rectangle and we will select this corner, draw the rectangle, and we know that the distance from bottom to here is 20 millimeter. We select this one and this one is 20 millimeter, and this one is 38 millimeter. So we'll select 38. Okay, now we need to extruded cut. So from where we can get, we know that the total is 64 and from here to here is 51. So 64 minus 51 is our extruded cut. We will go to feature and then go to extruded cut, and the value is equal to 64 minus 51, and then go to OK. So now we need to make this cut. We will select this face, we will go to sketch. Okay, now we have select this one. Now we need to draw these lines and then we will go for the dimension. We will select this line, so we will select this part and it looks like this shape, and from here to here close this one, and we know that the distance from here to here is 15. So go to smart dimension and distance from here to here is 15. So just put the value is 15, and the distance from here to here is 35. So distance from here to this line is 35, so we just put 35, right? And similarly the distance from, okay, so we select the distance from this line to this line is 53. So the distance from this line to this line, this one is 53 and this one is 73. So we'll select this line to this line, this one is 73. Oh sorry, 73, right? So our sketch is fully defined. Now we need to know the depth. So depth is 15 millimeter. So we will go to feature, then we will select extruded cut, and extruded cut its depth is 15 millimeter. said okay. So now our model is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the